Hey everyone, it's Becky from Starkweather here to teach you how to pull a report from a custom field. So, as you know, YM has a lot of different ways to pull reports from built-in features. You can pull reports based on event attendance, where members are located, or even whether or not a member is working toward a professional development certificate. But what if you want to collect information and pull reports on something that's not built into the YM system? Well, wonderfully, YM also gives you the ability to create your own fields to pull reports from. In our experience, many organizations that use the YM system also utilize volunteers to help with various tasks and events. So let's see how to pull a volunteer report based on a custom field. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on Directory and CRM up at the top. Once your search form opens, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to Custom Fields, click on it, and then find your volunteering custom field. Once you click on it, we're going to choose Yes, and then simply scroll down and click Search. Now you can see this is our list of people who are interested in volunteering for our organization. So this is how you can pull a report based on a custom field and have it be super useful to your organization. Thanks so much for listening, and can't wait to see you next time.